What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I didn't get the start of it because my camera is nearly dead, but we are in the middle of getting our exhaust switched out. We already have our old exhaust off. So now it's just a matter of putting the new one on, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? All right, so we can check it out. This was the old dented up exhaust there. The little shields. Here we have now, we should be able to switch this brake out and be able to do that. So that's a plus. Good up there. Good up there. So man, let's get this thing on here, dog. So you guys know our brake was freaking whooped and bent and all the above. So got our new brake on there now. Got the cotter pin in. Should be good to go there. Now next step, I believe, should be the exhaust. Let's see. Alrighty, guys, I ain't gonna even hold you. That took freaking forever and a day. We got the whole freaking exhaust mounted up. Now at Harley, this was like a $314 job. At my buddy's, it was about $100. Here in my garage, it took nothing but time, man. I got everything on here surprisingly now. Last time I did some headers, or at least tried some headers, these bolts wouldn't go in. I got both of them in on both sides, got them tightened down. Now the only thing is so far is just this little clamp is not clamping, but everything else is on there and tight and snug, along with the O2 sensors. We just need to plug the back of these little holes up, but other than that, it does look good. We'll get a first start up here pretty soon, hopefully. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing completed and pulled out. We got our Bassani Road Rage 2 into 1. Everything under here looks good except for this freaking clamp right here. I just gotta reset, but everything else is tightened up. We also got that new air filter on there, so we should be able to give this thing a freaking first start up, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, got a first start up. Kind of quiet, but it is ready to go. Woo! It's crazy. That thing is loud. Yes, sir. I can dig it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. This thing is sounding excelente. I like it. Got that thing pulled back in. Thing looks so good. Sounds amazing. Now we just need to put our floorboard on. We got our brackets. There's one screw still in there, so we got to do the extraction on that. Brake is set, then good there, but just turn signals and get these brakes bled, and we'll be good to go, man. Alrighty guys, next morning here, we got the bike, man. It's time to get the brakes situated, so we're gonna load it up, take it to Harley so they can get the brakes and get that back wheel switched on there. This thing will pretty much be done today. At least we can try to ride it. If not, we got our floorboard stuff. We're gonna see if they can find a little screw so we can hook our floorboard up. If not, we're gonna go to Home Depot and figure it out one way or another, man. So in the meantime, let's load this thing up and get up out of here. Alrighty, got this brown beast loaded up. Should be able to ride this thing when we see it again. That's for sure. Y'all know the routine. About to get this thing offloaded, get it in here. Gonna go up. Alrighty guys, it is here. Showroom. About to get the freaking last few touches done, man. So once we get this thing back, we'll be able to slide this joint. Can't wait. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just made it back to the house, man. I thought I lost my wallet. So I couldn't get the little part I needed at Harley, man. So we about to hop on this thing real quick, go down the street to Harley, and we'll be right back. Y'all can probably take a little ride with us, man. Alrighty, man. Cool, quick little ride. Just made it back to the house, man. That was pretty fun. Can't wait till my bike get done. Got everything we need now. We can put that thing back together. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. What did you guys think about today's video, man? We ended up getting the pipes on that freaking road glide. Took the little red one for a ride for a little minute. Just got some little quick stuff done, man. Trying to get this all figured out, man. But, you know, sooner than soon, it'll be ready, man. I can't wait to get that first ride with y'all, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We literally have only about 60 or so hats left to be entered into this giveaway, man. So if you guys do want a chance at winning this Harley, man, head over there right now and go grab yours. But in the meantime, man, pretty much finished up with everything, man. Trying to get it going, trying to get these bikes shipped out, man. The shipper's been on his own time, man, so might have these things going out this week with another shipper, just trying to figure it out. I know the guy I usually use is really trustworthy, and I trust him and trusted his time. So I mean, you know, that's why I've been waiting so long, but just can't wait too much longer, man. So we'll have to figure that out down the road. But meantime, I will have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.